Today is a very exciting day. How's your feeling?
I'm feeling very emotional plus very excited.
So you are going to have green tea, right?
This is the day. Enjoy the one life. This is my second time in your channel, I guess. How is your feeling after having an empty flat? Hey guys, welcome back. So today is a very exciting day because we have been having it 3 years with my friends. So we are decided to meet with the alternate, right? Yes. So she is my friend. Uno, yeah. So we are actually waiting for another friend. So let's go. Yeah, they are so late. Some of our friends are already inside. Come. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Again, more than 4, right? More than 4. So have to come again. So we are very excited. After a month, we are meeting in this way, right? So how's your feeling?
I'm feeling very emotional plus very excited.
A 3 years journey. That's amazing journey with them, guys.
Incredible, beautiful. There's a lot of memories, so there's nothing to forget.
Anyways, so we are waiting.
We're waiting for our friends, but they're so late. We're hungry.
We are waiting more than hours. Actually, I'm not a fast food lover, so
I don't eat. I want to eat the biryani.
most of the time I used to eat wheat.
Oh, what a... Oh.
What is this? Wheat pulao. It's the first time that I heard wheat pulao. Chicken pulao.
She's taking selfie. Why are you disturbing?
Sorry.
It's okay. Mane naba.
For the first time that she's so busy in taking a
Yeah.
video.
And this is our.
Yes, you will know very well because you guys are a roommate, right?
Yeah.
So
She's one of my best partner. And see, they're really very busy in taking photos.
a real video?
Why are you disturbing?
I love to disturb.
Okay, no problem.
We take some photos. News autograph.
Yeah.
Okay. Means I'll keep the camera in front, okay?
Your camera
Aye,
is better. Yeah. It's good.
Oh my god!
Oh man.
Oh my god! May makasali ko pa Sophie ba isang na? Ranu!
You guys are so busy. Photo, but I'm very excited to take a video.
We all are very excited to meet.
So except one, right? South Korea is left.
My friends, they all are my friends.
He loves to shout. Sometimes he loves to shout, man. So this is the day. Enjoy the one life. Yes.
Let's shout. Let's shout together.
Look. Photo.
Photo. Let's take a photo.
Okay. Let's take.
What?
That's green tea, man.
What happened?
I don't know.
Minnan tasting like man squeeze na.
You're very funny.
Yeah.
Oh, give it half.
Ini bitter
About a
na.
pen.
It's not bitter na.
It's so hard, guys.
Tear it with your mouth.
No.
Teeth, I mean.
Yeah, got it now.
Got it.
I got the line actually.
Oh.
You just
Actually, there is some
spin it.
process of opening
Yeah,
the.
yeah. Now I'm going to put here
Okay.
the hot.
Anh này mix không nát đấy là được rồi. Anh sẽ
There's
video.
another ticket as well. Look.
Oh my god. Give me one.
After 15 minutes, we got to this. Only this was after.
15 minutes?
Or more than that, Rama.
More than 2 hours.
That's really fun. How is it? How is the test? Not only good, amazing as well. How is it?
Very tasty.
Only testing.
Oh my god, I can't explain.
Can you have one more day?
Yeah, okay. Marisa. And
อันนี้คือเขาไปนักศึกษาเนี่ย
Ranika. Hey, Ruben. How is it, man? Nice. Sapangri. Hey, Ardi. Make. How's the test?
Worst. Oh my god.
Amazing, man. I recommend you to come in this restaurant. It's so delicious, right?
Yeah, very tasty.
Very tasty. So I recommend all the viewers to come here.
Please come and enjoy.
Hambi restaurant. Oh my god, so delicious. From your language, tell them to come here.
Okay.
As well as
Best restaurant जाफैबानो जाबाय जाय दिफुनि दिफुनि नङाबा बेलेगनियाव जाफैनो हागोन आरो बेयाव दिफुआव फैयोबा बिराद टेस्टि आरोना बेयाव आइटेम्सफ्रा ना
thank you. How is your feeling after having an empty plate?
I want some more.
Yeah.
Waiting for.
Yeah.
Right now we are waiting for the another order. I can't wait anymore. What
Okay.
about you?
Enough, right?
Lúc nào là cái phần này để
This is my plate. This is Elisa's. Flour.
It sound right, boy.
So I just want you to say that. Please say something on my YouTube channel from your own language.
Regarding your YouTube channel,
Yeah,
you mentioned.
in your language, in
Okay,
your
my
Karbi
language.
language.
So, hey everyone, I think this is my second time in your channel, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
So, Elisa is my friend since from many years, from maybe like 3 or 4 years. Yes, 3 years, since from 3 years. So, my dear friends, nili channel ke lang tuman thame alang li fan support din tha lang se alang li tame video I think yani kang pick kasi nito ma classmate lo nito otini department ni civil lo since from 3 years.
3
so
years, yeah.
I personally request to all the viewers is to support her as well.
Okay, so thank you so much.
Yes.
Actually, as I have grown up here, I have so many Karbi friends.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I have requested you to say. So thank you once again.
Okay.